How to grade an assignment, Part 1, Simple. Please note that this video series presumes that you are already knowledgeable on key aspects of assignment creation. Videos on assignment creation will be in the description. In this video, we will demonstrate how to 1. Use the grading window, 2. View and download submissions, and 3. Grade using quick grading. Let's start from the My Courses page. Go to your course page and open the assignment that requires grading. On this page you can quickly check if there are any submissions. Note that there are multiple grading methods that reflect your assignment settings. These methods are simple direct grading and advanced grading. In this video we are demonstrating simple direct grading. There are multiple ways of providing grades using this method. These are to provide grades within the grading window, quick grading on the submissions page, or use of an offline grading worksheet. The use of an offline grading worksheet will be demonstrated in another video. Link in the description. The grading window. To access this window, click Grade. In the grading window, you will be able to add and view submission comments, provide grades, and provide feedback for student submissions. The layout of this window may vary depending on the feedback type that was set. We will reveal and discuss these differences in Part 3. Viewing submissions. There are multiple ways to view submissions. The most common way to do so is to download the student's file to view their submission. To do so, click on the document link. This allows you to download a copy of their file. Note that you can also download assignment submissions in bulk. To do so, go to the Submissions page, click on Actions and select Download All Submissions. This will create a zip file with a copy of all the students' submissions, renamed using a naming convention that presents the student's name, the submission ID, submission type, and the original file name. Another way to download all submissions is to check the option to download submissions in folders, and then click on Actions and select Download All Submissions. This will create a zip file with a folder for each student, containing their submission. This time the folder will be renamed using a naming convention that presents the student's name, the submission ID, and submission type. If the Annotate feedback type was set, there would be a large custom editor that would allow you to view the student's work, if they had submitted a PDF file. If the student provided an online text submission, click on the View button to view their submission. To switch between users, you can either use the arrows in the top right corner, or you can click on the Change User drop-down to quickly access a specific student. To add a comment, locate and click on Comments, and insert your comments. When you are done, click on Save Comment. To provide a grade, click on the text box under the grade heading and insert the grade. Take note of the total. Next up is to add feedback. We will cover this thoroughly in Part 3 of this series. For now, click on the option to save to submit your grading for the student. Quick grading. The next simple direct grading method is quick grading on the submissions page. To use this method, go to the assignment and go to the submissions. From here click the checkbox for quick grading. Once quick grading is enabled, you will be able to insert grades and feedback comments directly into this table on the submissions page. To do so, click on the text boxes in the respective columns, and insert your grades and feedback. As we discussed earlier, there are multiple ways to view submissions. The ones applicable here are to click on the document link, download all submissions, or use the View button to view online text submissions. Note that if feedback comments were not set in the assignment settings, that column would not be available. Once you are done, click on Save in the bottom right corner of the page. A fun fact to keep in mind is that you can quickly scan every assignment to see if there are any submissions that require grading. To do so, go to the Activities section on your course page, and click on Assignments. Within the Assignments section, you will see a grade and submission status for each assignment. Now you can 1. Use the grading window, 2. View and download submissions, and 3. Grade using quick grading.